Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on your signature on Outlook. Now, a signature is basically a digital signature where basically it is important to have it on if you're someone who owns a business, just so you can make sure that once you send an email, you're going to make sure it is the email from the owner, or the real person, other than a scam or something. So how we can set it up on Outlook, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, we're going to launch up Outlook. Now, from Outlook, you're going to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. For the top left corner, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left corner. Now, from the settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit just until something called Mail. For Mail, you're going to click on something called Signature, Get Outlook for Android. Okay, and after that, you're going to write your signature, and then once you write your signature, you're going to click on the tick on the top right corner, and from there, you're going to have your own email. So yeah, guys, your own signature. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.